Hello friends. Welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. Today in this video tutorial I am going to show how to configure sending profile on Gophish framework. Open your web browser and go to the Gophish login page. Log in using your admin or user credentials. In the Gophish dashboard, go to the Sending Profiles tab from the left-hand menu. Click the New Profile button to create a new sending profile. You'll need to fill in the following fields. Enter sending profile name. SMTP from sender mail address. Host. The SMTP server address of the email provider. The email address or SMTP username. The password for the email account. Use app passwords for security if applicable. Ignore cert errors, optional. Check this box if you want Gophish to ignore SSL, TLS certificate errors. Test the sending profile. Click Send Test Email to verify the SMTP settings. Enter a test recipient email address. If the test is successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Save the profile. Click Save Profile once the test email is successful. Your sending profile is now ready for use in campaigns. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.